To complete a quick order, you will begin by logging in and selecting your account. When the drop-down opens, select Quick Order. There will be 3 methods to complete a quick order: file upload, speed entry, and copy and paste. Evaluate which of the options best fits your needs. In this case, copy and paste will be the fastest because we have too many items to simply type them into the speed entry, and our spreadsheet is not formatted to upload. A sample file can be downloaded to ensure proper file format for future quick orders. To use the copy and paste function, you will highlight the quantity and the catalog number and copy. Then you will go back to ShopEECO, then paste it into the empty box at the bottom of the page. Double check that there is a single space between the quantity and the product number, and remove any additional spaces or lines that may have been created. Then you will proceed to add to cart. Items with similar part numbers will show up in the Multiple Results tab. To select the item you need, reference the product number entered in the left-hand corner with the EECO product number and select the item that matches. Once all the desired items have been added to your cart, you may begin checkout. If an item is not listed online, a No Matches tab will appear displaying the product numbers that are unavailable. Contact your inside sales rep to locate the remaining items for your order. Thank you.